Meaning of foreshorten.
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 Foreshorten. The term foreshorten refers to the visual effect of shortening or compressing objects or body parts in a drawing or painting in order to create the illusion of depth and perspective. This is achieved by manipulating the proportions of the object in relation to its distance from the viewer's eye. For example, an arm that is extended towards the viewer may appear shorter in the artwork than it would in real life. By using foreshortening techniques, artists can create dynamic and engaging compositions that draw the viewer into the scene and add a sense of realism and drama.